how to add highlights in on Instagram without posting story. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, if I want to add a new highlight, it will only lead me to all the stories I have uploaded. So there is no way you can add a highlight without creating or posting it on story. But what you can do is post the story on close friends and select only few people that you want to show the story, and then add it to your story, and you can now add it to your highlight. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.